Hey everyone! Welcome back to New Car Updates, where we bring you the hottest news and first looks at the latest rides hitting the streets. And today we've got something sleek, fierce, and fast. It's the all-new 2025 Expresso Guepardo. Say hello to the Guepardo, Spanish for cheetah, and it lives up to its name in more ways than one. Designed by Expresso, a rising European automaker known for bold design and electric innovation, the Guepardo is their flagship electric crossover coupe, and it's turning heads everywhere. First things first, that design. Sharp lines, sculpted flares, and an aggressive stance give it a futuristic yet muscular look. The front fascia features laser-thin LED headlights and the signature illuminated. With a coupe-like sloping roofline and 21-inch turbine-style wheels, this isn't your average SUV. The aerodynamics are tight, and yes, it has a drag coefficient of just 0.26. Inside, the 2025 Guepardo is all about tech and comfort. A 17-inch floating OLED touchscreen dominates the dash, backed by Expresso's new eDrive OS, fully customizable and voice-activated. You're also getting a panoramic sunroof, vegan leather seats with massage functions, and Level 3 autonomous driving support. Yes, it can drive itself on highways under certain conditions. Now, let's talk performance. The Guepardo comes in two trims, the base E-Lite with 380 horsepower and the AWD E-Fury with a whopping 560 horses and a 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds. That's not just SUV speed, that's sports car territory. It packs a 100 kilowatt-hours solid-state battery offering up to 370 miles of range, and fast charging gets you 80% in just 18 minutes. So, what's the damage? Starting price is expected at around $58,000 for the base model and $72,000 for the fully loaded E-Fury edition. Pre-orders start this summer and deliveries begin in early 2025. The 2025 Expresso Guepardo is a bold move in the EV game, powerful, beautiful, and packed with future tech. So what do you think? Is it worth the hype? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more fresh drops from the world of cars only on New Car Updates.